Hey guys, welcome to my channel. I have an unboxing. Now most of this is what I bought, but I wanted to share it with you guys. I'm on the road, so I get to buy things, sit at home, and when I come home it's kind of like Christmas. So we've got the first one from Amazon. First thing is fill in. Yes, I think this is what I think it is. Okay. Oh, perfect. Okay, I got this because I'm on the truck, and so I have a little light that is rechargeable. Little kitty light that goes on my phone. And it's got the same thing as my ring light. I'm going to do one of these videos where I have my Amazon favorites, and I will put all the information. But this, I can't have a big old ring light on the truck, so this is actually Ulta. So let's see what we got. Like I said, I buy stuff all month long. Sometimes I'm gone for 2 months, and I buy stuff and then I forget what I buy. So it's like Christmas. Okay, first things first, I got the Gina palette. And I have the Morphe palettes. I have the 35V palettes. I can't remember which one this one is. I have a lot of Morphe palettes. I don't remember which one this one is. Tell me that is not pretty. I love Morphe. Okay. Look at all those colors. Here, we'll just do this. That is my dog's. Look at that. Ooh, I love it. I will do a makeup tutorial with that. I'm going to have to. Alright, so we got the Morphe one. Put it back in the box. And one that everyone's been obsessed with is the James Charles palette. And I decided to get one. And my baby is home. Okay, so I've got the James Charles palette, and I got the mini one because I don't really want the big one. Oh, it is lasted. But look at all those colors. Look at all those colors. I want to swatch, but I want to save it too. And I also have a little insert with all that stuff in it. Yay! Okay. And we got another one. Did I have to open it upside down? I sure did. Okay, let's try this again. Someone else already knows what I'm doing. Really? I don't want to get her on it so early. I want to make sure I can get her potty trained first. Okay. This I'm really excited about. Huh. This is for my phone. I don't have a camera set up yet, so we're doing everything new, but I've got my mic and my stand so I can do my vlogs, and it also adapts to a camera, which is next. Holy Grail. You see that? You see that? This is Lily. I have been dying to get something from Lily. I finally broke in. I got something from Lily. Oh, okay. I just want you guys to see this. Do you see how pretty this is? Do you see how gorgeous this is wrapped? I mean, do you see this? It's like I do not want to touch it. Oh, there's my new baby. That's my new baby. We got a new kid, so that's our new kid. But this, I'm so excited about. It's like I don't want to touch it, but oh, I mean, there's the wrapping and then the bubble wrap, and they had bubble wrap in there. But come on, tell me that's not gorgeous. Just the packaging itself. Oh, okay. I so want to do a whole makeup look with all her stuff because I'm just so. I love Laura Lee. I've been following her forever. But this is the Sleigh Bell one. Tell me that's not gorgeous. I mean, come on. Oh my God, that is so gorgeous. I love the, look, bright lights. Okay, we have bright lights. And I know you guys can't really see it. This light is really drowning me out, but oh my God, that is gorgeous. I want to swatch something. Wish list. I'm going to swatch wish list. Okay. Tell me that is not gorgeous. All right. Wrapped up. That green is gorgeous. I'm doing the green in the middle. Ready? Oh my God. Oh my God, this is freaking gorgeous. Ooh. And it's a magnet. Oh my God, see? Okay, so anyway, I'm not going to do this because the video will be, forever long. So, I am going to open them up and show you. I'm just not going to swatch every single one of them because I'll be here all night. Glazed and bronze. Look at that. And everything's packed so nice. I don't want to mess with the stickers. Nudie patootie. Told you it's like Christmas for me. Oh my God. Glazed Lit Kit. Okay. Here's some stuff before I start swatching everything, but the Glazed Lit Kit. Okay. It's got diamonds, glow gal, rose all day, and cinnamon sugar. You guys see how beautiful that is? Okay, we're gonna swatch. We're gonna swatch. Okay. I know what's going on, so let's just eat. Oh, okay. Look at that. So that's the Glazed Lit Kit. So I'll be, if I swatch them all, I swear I'll be here all day. What is this one? I only got. Oh, the bronze one. Okay, so we got the big eyeshadow palette, the big bronze palette, and the big glow palette, plus 2 more little ones. So, okay, I got the entire collection, which is the Nudie Patootie, the Glaze palette, the bronze palette, and the 3 mini palettes, which include Sleigh Bell, Party Animal, and Boss Babe. So that's, then, of course, we went to Walmart. And my baby got this. It is literally a shirt with a pair of pants for pajamas, so I actually have something comfortable to sleep in the truck. 2 more things to do. I got this, and I couldn't wait to try them on. I don't wear lashes. I'm not a lash type of girl. But it came with the magnetic liner, which I am wearing. And then 2 lashes, which I wore the lighter ones today. Which are, the lighter ones I got was the Living Lash. I'm wearing those now. Because I didn't want to do anything dramatic, just to go to the grocery store. But, tell me how beautiful those are. And I tried them on. I took a picture and, oh, my eyes popped. I will tell you that. She thought so too. Okay, and then we've got from Hip Dot. I love these things. One I already opened. I'll probably use one, but a rainbow beauty blender, and I absolutely love it. They are so soft, and when they get wet, they are huge. Really? That would be Gizzy. Mouth of the South, Gizzy. Perfect Face Pressed Powder Face Palettes. Okay. And look how nice this packaging is. It is very sturdy. I love it. And I have already opened this and swatched it, but look at those. Aren't they gorgeous? Let's do a swatch. Okay. Right here. Look at those colors. That's for my headband. I had it on my head. Or had it on my arm, my hand forever. But check out those colors. They are so shiny. Ah, I knew I was missing something. But I did get an e.l.f. And then these, everyone has been talking about these. The Wet n Wild highlighters. And how well they are. Okay, can you tell how I like highlighters? I got like 3 or 4 different ones. Yeah, I like highlighters. Okay, this one is Precious Petals. And I haven't even swatched them yet, but I want to swatch it. Okay. For a drugstore, look how beautiful that is. Okay, that one's Precious Petals. And then this one is Golden Flower Crown. Alright, see if I have any more room. We're gonna go right here. Look how beautiful that is. And then of course I got a concealer, and I think it's, yeah, it's from e.l.f. I wanted to try them too. But the Glamnetics, or the Glamnetics. Okay, these are the ones that I'm wearing right now, which is the Loving Lash. And okay, they need to come off, but because I've had a long day, but I put them on. They are so much easier than doing glued, and I actually look like I have lashes. But if you don't like doing lashes and glue and everything else because it's so hard to get the glue off, try this. Try these. These are amazing because I've been wearing them all day. They're about to, I need to take them off because it's about that time. But these, I want to do a makeup look, a get ready with me with these. I really do, because they are gorgeous. That's what I got when I'm away for a couple months. That's what I usually do, is I buy stuff, sit at home, and then it's like Christmas when I come home. So that is all I have for you today. You look for more videos I might be doing to get ready with me with some of the new stuff I got, especially with the Laura Lee. And I will see you guys next time. Bye.